Hi, today I'm ready for your OPPO Reno 10 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first open the settings, then tap to the sound and vibration. To change ringtone volume, you should hold and slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each ringtone volume panel. Also, we could press up or down volume button with the help of the volume buttons. But first, in more section in volume button function, you should switch media to the ringtone. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.